Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to create a new partition, a new drive on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You can do the same procedure on 7, 8, 10 or 11 operating system. I will tell you a step-by-step procedure. It's very easy and very convenient to do it. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to do it. So here in the search icon, type File and you will find the best match File Explorer. Now once you click on that, at the left hand side you will have this PC. So I'll click on that and now let me maximize it. So here you can see that I have only one drive, which is C drive, and it has 237 GB and only 104 GB is free. So I want to create a new drive, let's say D drive or E drive. So I'll just close this window. You can do a right click in the start icon and then go to disk management. Now once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. Now let's say if you're unable to do the right click, you can press Window and R and you can type diskmgmt.msc. So you can open the disk management in both the ways. So once the disk management is open, I'll just maximize it here. We have the information like healthy, partition, C drive, and 1 GB is healthy recovery partition. So we don't have to touch the small partitions like 260 MB or 1 GB. Same information we have at the very top. This is a basic 260 MB, 1 GB and 237 GB. So you have to look in your computer for the bigger capacity. So in my case, I have C drive. So what I'll do is I'll just do a right click here and I'll click on shrink volume. Now the moment I click on shrink volume, it will start querying for available space. And it will not take much time. It might take 2 to 3 minutes. And don't think it's stuck or hanged. Once it is done, you will see a window like this, shrink C, total size, and here enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So let's say if I want to create a drive of 10 GB, so here I'll mention 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. So for 10 GB is somewhere around 10,000 MB. Once you have typed it, the value, you can click on shrink. Now again, it might take 2 to 3 minutes to shrink. Now you can see I have 9.77 GB unallocated space. Now if we go to this File Explorer and go to this PC, we don't have any partition here. So we need to create a partition now. Now we have taken the unallocated space and we just need to do a right click and we need to click on this new simple volume. And here we need to click on next and it's 10,000. That's fine. You don't have to make any changes here and you just need to select assign a drive letter. So in my case, I'll select D and then I'll click on next. And here, how exactly you want to format. So if you have FAT32 selected, make sure you select NTFS, which is a new technology file system, and leave everything as it is and just click on next and click on finish. Now it depends how faster your hard drive is. Now it took hardly a second to create a volume. Now if I open the File Explorer and then go to this PC, and here we go, we have this new D drive of 9.73 GB. And this is how you can create the drive now. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, guys.